Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Ever felt like your car is drinking fuel like it's going out of style? You're not alone. High fuel consumption is a common problem, but the good news is it's often fixable. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 reasons your car is burning too much fuel and how to solve them. Stick around because this could save you hundreds at the pump. First up, poor maintenance. A neglected car is a fuel-guzzling car. Here's what to check. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, forcing your engine to work harder and burn more fuel. Replace it every 12,000 miles or sooner if you drive in dusty areas. Thick, dirty oil increases friction, reducing efficiency. Stick to your manufacturer's oil change schedule. Bad spark plugs cause incomplete combustion, wasting fuel. Replace them every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. A quick maintenance check can boost your miles per gallon by up to 10%. Next up, tire problems. Did you know underinflated tires can increase fuel consumption by up to 3%? Soft tires create more rolling resistance, making your engine work harder. Check pressure monthly. Oversized or mismatched tires affect aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Stick to OEM specs. Misaligned wheels cause drag. Get an alignment if your car pulls to one side. Pro tip: keep tires inflated to the PSI listed on your door jamb, not the tire sidewall. This one's on you.
All right, team. Real talk for a second. I'm on the final stretch to hit YouTube's big milestones. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. After 10 amazing months, we're sitting at 431 subs, which means we're nearly halfway there. Here's where you come in. Lean in. If you're new here, hitting that subscribe button is the single biggest help you could give. Already part of the crew? Watching just one extra video or sharing this with a friend gets us closer to that 4,000-hour goal. We've got about 60 days to make this happen together. Every sub, every view, every share counts more than you know. This channel only exists because of your support. Let's crush these goals and take this community to the next level.
Aggressive driving kills fuel economy. Flooring the pedal dumps extra fuel into the engine. Accelerate smoothly. Driving over 60 miles per hour increases wind resistance drastically. Slow down and save fuel. Sudden stops waste energy. Anticipate traffic and coast when possible. Just driving calmly can improve mileage by 15 to 30% on highways. Now, let's talk about engine issues that secretly drain your tank. A faulty oxygen sensor can mess up your air-fuel mixture, increasing consumption by up to 40%. Dirty fuel injectors don't spray fuel efficiently. Clean them or use a fuel system cleaner. A dirty mass airflow sensor sends wrong data to the ECU, hurting miles per gallon. Clean it with MAF Cleaner. If your check engine light is on, get it checked ASAP. It could be costing you money. Finally, carrying too much weight or bad aerodynamics hurt efficiency. 100 pounds of junk in your trunk can reduce miles per gallon by 1 to 2%. Clean it out. Roof racks create drag, especially at high speeds. Remove them when not in use. At highway speeds, open windows increase drag. Use AC instead, it's more efficient. A lighter, sleeker car equals better fuel economy. So there you have it, 5 major reasons your car is burning too much fuel and how to fix them. Start with simple maintenance. Check your tires, drive smoothly, inspect engine components, and keep your car light. Small changes add up to big savings. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe for more car tips, and comment below, what's your biggest fuel-saving hack? See you in the next video.